Finding a spouse, it's not easy. It's not simple. Sometimes you just feel it has to be something which is surnatural. Well, it didn't start today. At the time of Abraham, when he lost his wife Sarah, and his son Yitzchak was only 37 years old, he said to himself, it's time to marry off my son. So he sends Eliezer on a mission. Go back to my land. Find a wife for my son. Eliezer promises him, I will do my best. On his way, he prays and he asks God, please, God of Abraham, my master, please show me the way. In no time, he finds himself in front of a young lady. The young lady offers him water and offers his camels water. Such kindness. This is what I'm looking for Yitzchak. As soon as he meets the parents, the first statement he makes, I will not eat before I speak. Vayomar Eved Avraham Anochi. He said, I am the servant of Abraham. That was the key. That was the key. State of mind 101. What is the state of mind I have to have as a Jew when I'm on a mission? There's nothing else important except the mission. Who am I? I am the servant of Abraham. When you're able to be connected to Hashem, when you're connected to a tzaddik, at that moment you have to know you're going with the blessing of the tzaddik. One day, Rabbi Chay, the secretary of the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe, had typhus. He was very sick. But at a Farbrengen, at a Hasidic gathering, the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe told him to say L'chaim and to drink a full cup of vodka. He said, but the doctor said no. And he said, L'chaim. The tzaddik ordered him, say L'chaim, drink. He said L'chaim. The next day, all his sickness was gone. He went back to the previous Rebbe and said, I don't understand. The Torah asks us to work within nature. How come something surnatural happened? The previous Rebbe said to him, when you are a servant of God, everything that happens in your life is surnatural. He answered, but I don't consider myself such a great servant of God. To this, the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe said, when you are connected to a tzaddik, to a true servant of God, you become surnatural. When we are connected to tzaddikim, those who are really connected to God in a completely holy way, at that moment, we have the power to overcome nature. Next time you have an opportunity, go pray at the resting place of a tzaddik. Ask for advice from a tzaddik. And go full on, with full trust, and you will see how suddenly nature disappears before your eyes.